Hello and welcome class 7 students. In this maths class, I will again solve the revision chapter exercise 3, the LCM HCF, fractions of LCM and HCF. I will continue with that class. Today I will solve some more important sum and I will also show you one different sum. Please follow sum number 29 from the exercise 3, sum number 29 of fractions of LCM and HCF. It is given in sum number 29 that the product of two fractions is 27 by 98. The product of two fractions is given 27 and 98. Their LCM is also given and you have to find out the HCF. Now this sum is a little bit different from the sums that we have done previously. Here the product of two numbers is given and the LCM is given. You are required to find out the HCF. So product is given. Product given is 27 by 98. This is the product which is given in the sum. And the LCM is also given. The LCM is also given, which is 1 whole number 2 by 7. 1 whole number 2 by 7. These two information are given to you. You have to find out the HCF from these two given information. How will you find out the HCF from these two given information? The formula you have to apply. A new formula you have to apply. And the formula is product of two numbers. Product of two numbers is equal to product of two numbers is equal to LCM HCF into LCM or LCM into HCF, whatever you may write. This is the formula. Product of the two numbers is equal to HCF into LCM. This is the formula that you have to apply to find out the required number in this sum. Here product of the two numbers is given. Here product is given. I tell you what? Product is equal to HCF by into LCM. Here LCM is given and product is given. So in place of product we are going to write 27 by 98. HCF we are required to find out, but LCM is given in this sum. So LCM also we will write 1 whole number 2 by 7 because this is what is given to us as the LCM. So in place of LCM we will write the number which is given and in place of product also we will write the number which is given. Therefore, HCF, how will we find out this HCF? We have to divide this number by this number. We have to divide 27 by 98 by 1 whole number 2 by 7. That is 27 by 98 divided by 1 whole number 2 by 7 is equal to the HCF. Is equal to the HCF. Now we will do the calculation and find out the HCF. HCF is equal to 27 by 98 divided by 1 whole number 2 by 7. We will change this in the mixed fraction and that will be 9 by 7. So HCF is equal to 27 by 98 into 7 by 9. 43. So we are getting the answer as, that means the required HCF we are getting as another fraction and that is 3 by 14. 3 by 14 is the HCF. In this way we will solve the sum to get the required number. Now in case HCF is given to you and you are asked to find out the LCM. Same formula we will apply. Only in place of HCF we will write the number and find out the LCM. Just as I have done. So product will be given to you and another number will be given to you. Whether it is, if HCF is given to you, you have to find out the LCM, and if LCM is given to you, you have to find out the HCF by applying this formula, by dividing the product and the LCM, just the way I have done. If LCM, then product divided by HCF. If HCF, then product divided by LCM. Only this simple formula you have to apply. Now we will move on to the next sum. Now today's next sum is sum number 33. In sum number 33 it is given that, in sum number 33 from the exercise 3 it is given that what least number will be the integral quotients when divided by 2.4, 4.8 and 9.6. 2.4, 4.8 and 9.6 are the three numbers which you have to find out the least number which is divisible by these three numbers. 2.4, the three numbers are 2.4, 4.8 and 9.6. You have to find out the least number divisible by these three numbers. Now least number means, I have told you earlier also, that least number means LCM of 2.4, or rather by changing this decimal into fraction. Since we are finding out the HCF and LCM of fractions, so we will try to convert this decimal into fractional numbers. So 2.4 become 24 by 10, 4.8 will become 48 by 10 and 9.6 will become 96 by 10. Now we will convert, we will apply the formula, that is LCM of the formula of LCM was, the formula to find out the LCM was LCM of 24, 48 and 96 by HCF of 10, 10 and 10. So HCF will be 10 because 10 is divisible by those three of them. So HCF will be 10, that's easy, that we can write. HCF, the denominator will be 10, but numerator we have to do the LCM. We have to do the LCM of 24, 48 and 96. LCM of 24, 48 and 96. We have to do the LCM of these. So we have to do the LCM of these. So here we are getting, what is the LCM that we are getting? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. This is the LCM. You have to multiply this and you have to get the answer. So 2 into 2 into 2, 8 into 2, 16 into 2, 32 into 3, 96. So we are getting 96 by 10 as the answer. So 96 by 10 is the number, or you can write this, convert this as decimal. Since the question was given in decimal, you can convert the answer in decimal and can write that 9.6 is the required least number. This is the required least number. 9.6 is the 9.6 is the required least number, which when divided by 2.4, 4.8 and 9.6 to get the quotient as integer numbers. So these are the sums for today. I think whatever I have explained in today's class you have understood well. So practice these sums well. More I am going to solve in the online classes. Till then, goodbye.